Bro. Fucking right peeking. Bullshit. You can see me because he's right peeking and I can't see him because I'm left peeking. This guy. GG. Any tips how to play against laggy high ping player? Good luck. Good luck. What's up, Fame? How's it going, bro? Hello, Kicker. Stream goes well? Thanks, man. What's up, Humanoid? Hello, hello. That guy can sit on the bed? I guess so. I've never seen anyone up there either. Pictures were about butt naked, in your bedroom floor. How to get into competitive PUBG? Also good luck, bro. I don't know. I've been in it since the very beginning, so I don't have the experience of getting into it late, so I really don't know. The only thing I would say is scrim and hope that people notice how good you are in scrims. What of Kentucky are you from? I'm from like western Kentucky. Love the content, thanks, bro. Hi, hello, Adriana. By Cincinnati? Yeah, I've never been over that far. What's up, Ninja? KFC or Popeyes? I've never had Popeyes, so I don't know. It's the first time I'm seeing you? What's up, my man? Or lady. I'm sorry. I call everybody my man, just so you know. Made love.